Hi, this is Vinny Cardo of GoldIRARollovers.com. Have you been considering a precious metals IRA, and maybe you're wondering what types of gold and silver and other types of metals are allowed in a precious metals IRA? If so, then I recommend that you watch a short video and listen to a recent interview that I just did with Collin Plume of Regal Assets. And here it is now.
I know a lot of people probably come to you and maybe they already have an idea of what they want to buy. But if somebody
Yes.
comes to you and they say have 100,000 or 200,000 or whatever, and they're looking for advice on how to get started with the different types of gold and silver and everything else available in an IRA, what is the process that you usually recommend in deciding on those pieces?
Well, the first thing is we send them an investment kit. We have a very concise investment kit that explains the process, gives all the different options that are available, and goes through different metals that are eligible. So that's always the first place, is take a look at that. And I think what you'll find is that if you're calling around and if the broker is not willing to let you look at the investment kit and is rushing you into the process, that's usually a red flag. It's an investment, you want to look at it. What you'll find a lot of times is the firms that are trying to get you to roll over the account on that first phone call, they typically are firms that don't have a great reputation. They don't want you to spend the time. Maybe they charge pretty high fees, things of that nature. So that would be the first thing. In terms of the different metals, it's always changing. Gold and silver are the two most popular, I would say, right now, but I do have clients that buy platinum and palladium. What I typically do, and all the brokers here typically do, is once the funds roll over, we'll look at where the markets are trending, see what different investors are doing, and really have a conversation at that time and figure out what's the best mix of metals for that client. And it's different for everybody. Some clients want all gold, some want all silver, some want a combination, some want to have some platinum. So we'll really go through it, take some time, and make sure the investor knows exactly what they're buying, why, different options, and we really pride ourselves on the clarity and transparency of knowing what they're getting. And once we have that conversation, it's pretty straightforward. Most people are able to figure it out, what they want, and then from there, from that conversation, we get the metal shipped off to the depository for them. So it really changes depending on the client.
Thanks for listening. If you'd like access to all 12 parts of this audio interview, please go to www.goldirarollovers.com/FAQ. If you'd like to reach out to Regal Assets or Collin Plume directly, please call them at 888-981-7445, or you can go to their website at regalassetsonline.com. Again, that's 888-981-7445, or go directly to regalassetsonline.com. Thanks so much for listening, and have a great day.